the housefly, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, scientific name Musca domestica, common name housefly. Structure. The body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. A. Head. The head has a pair of compound eyes and 3 simple eyes used for vision. A pair of antennae which help the fly to feel and smell. A retractable proboscis, that is, can be withdrawn, which secretes saliva into food to dissolve it, after which it sucks it. B. Thorax. The thorax has 3 segments. Each segment bears a pair of walking legs which end with claws. Between the claws lie small sticky parts called areola that help the fly to move and land on smooth and slippery places or surfaces. A pair of colorless wings which have veins. They are used for flight. A pair of hind wings called halters or balancers which help the fly to balance itself while flying and also to land. Spiracles on the first and third segment which are used for breathing. Abdomen. The abdomen has 8 segments, each having a pair of spiracles for breathing. Life history. The housefly undergoes complete metamorphosis. The female lays fertilized eggs on any decaying plant or animal matter. After a day, the eggs hatch into white maggots. The maggot has a mouth for sucking up food and a pair of hooks to tear up food and to drag the maggot forward. A maggot has a spiracle for breathing. It does not have legs but has spiny parts which are used for locomotion. After a few days, the maggot turns into pupa. The entire life cycle from egg to adult takes between 10 and 15 days depending on the climatic conditions. Mode of life. They are very mobile. They fly anywhere in search of food. They are omnivores, that is, they feed on any type of food which their saliva can dissolve. They like warm, moist, and dirty places. They bring up food from their guts, that is, regurgitate. They deposit it on any substance on which they land. They lay eggs on decayed matter which provides warmth and moisture for the larva to develop. Their larvae grow in warm, moist, and dark places, while their pupae develop in dry and dark places. Economic importance. They are vectors, that is, transmitters of germs, which cause diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, poliomyelitis, and stomach pain. Their larvae help in the disposal of decayed matter by feeding on it. They act as intermediate hosts for roundworms and tapeworms, which affect horses and poultry, respectively. Control of houseflies. All feces should be passed out in toilets. Pit latrines should be properly covered to prevent flies from breeding and visiting them, and in turn contaminate food. Sewage should be properly treated. Rotten vegetable matter, refuse, and houses for animals should be far away. All food should be properly covered all the time. Insecticide sprays can be used to kill the adult flies. Patients must consult a medical authority for proper diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Garbage should be burnt.